Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce here. Many people are complaining that right now they are keep getting bad list closure, list frontal products in the market and asking that's why. In this year, because of the pandemic, Korea has closed the border. As we know, most of the ventilation works was done in Korea before. So after they closed the border, firstly there are big stock problem, and many people at the same times they are hiring people in China to do the ventilation works, to making less frontal and less closures. Because of the stock problem, they just trying to do it as fast as possible, so they hired a lot of newbie for ventilation works, and those people don't have enough time for the training, and also they are trying to increase the productivity, so they are trying to do as fast as possible. They are also not trained properly, so that the list products are not as good quality as before. So what happened to this list closure and list frontal is, firstly, the hair is not good as before, and secondly, due to the Chinese labors are much more expensive, so the cost are rising a lot. And due to they are newbie and they are not training properly, so the ventilation is not done as well as before, and the hair is easily getting shedding sometimes, and also the closure is not as dense as before. And for your hair business, it's very risky to sell this low quality list closure and list frontals. You might lose clients due to this low quality closure and frontals. So please make sure that you are working with trusted, reliable supplier only. We also hear some story within China also, and people are sending a good sample, but after they are making bulk purchase and they are sending a bad batch of hair. So be careful, make sure that you are only working with the reliable vendors. So unlike others, as we know, before the pandemic, we also have ventilation works. In China, we have skilled workers in China to do the ventilation works, so we can still supply some high quality products, list products, but maybe not as big stock as before, but still we can providing stable quality products. And now we are still having our list closure and frontals the good quality as before. You can see that the hair is very nice as before, and the ventilation is very well constructed, and the density is great as before. And this is the closure. The hairline is very natural and pre-plucked. Both of the closure and frontals. We are also trying to increase our productivity, at the same time no compromise on the quality of the hair. Hopefully the pandemic will be over very soon. Wish everyone have a very healthy life. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.